Is it done?
It's running. What's that sound? Now if it doesn't ship, we can blame it on Mom. Foot is going off the brake in 3, 2, 1. So because there's shavings throughout the entire transmission, that means transmission fluid with shavings in it also went through the cooler. So to get that out, we're going to use this cooler clean stuff to run it through our lines and run it through the cooler to get all the debris out so we don't just undo all our work.
So we'll take this thermal bypass off so we can get it just the lines.
You look kind of spooky right now with this lighting.
Do I really?
Yeah, because you have, yeah, pretty much. Don't forget to put those back on.
Right.
Okay. Nice.
I need to take and get a hose.
Imagine like accidentally getting the tire slime. Put that through. Woo! Whoopsies! So we're all set now. Yeah, I forgot where we left off from the last clip. We're gonna clean our lines, put our front drive shaft in. I gotta plug in the upstream O2 sensor on the passenger side bank, and then we're gonna try to drive it today and see how it does. You got it. Nice.
That's on there tight.
Might not be able to get back off. Let's see how this works. Let's get this on video, see if it sprays you. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's just not sealing.
See if we can.
There you go.
Maybe.
No, and it sprayed on you. Man. Is it coming out the other side?
Yeah. I think I want the. Let me get the blowgun and blow some of the fluid out. Yeah, baby.
Oh, I got that on video. Dude. She just... I so hope I got a good shot.
I like if you like that.
I so hope I got a good shot of that. What the heck? There was a lot of back pressure on that. Hey, that... Aw. Oh, there it goes. I'm sure that's all very sparkly transmission fluid. There you go, it's going white. Still has a little bit of a... Oh, there.
It's gonna start. It might start puffing at me. That was like gambling right there.
Yeah, I know. That would have been funny though. It's pretty much giving the transcooler a bubble bath.
Yeah, we'll blow it out this way and then we'll switch directions.
Oh gosh. Noise. No.
Worked really good.
No more noise. Yeah, I did. At first, I was like, "What is going on here?" And I think it was just the transmission fluid backing it up.
Please.
I'm supposed to be just a cameraman.
I want you. I need you. Oh God.
Now we're getting copyrighted. So when people use someone else's music or content, it makes it so they get paid also. So you lose commission for your viewers, like it's like 50 or 60% of it to the artist of the music that you just used, so they get paid for it.
Nice.
Yeah. Brand new gasket. Yeah, the drive shaft might need to be put on.
Oh, 4-wheel drive.
I hope not.
It is.
Oh, it is. It's not moving.
I hate that when we do that.
That's not good. Belt housing bolt. Now we need a 15 to tighten that on.
Ugga dugga, baby.
Did you get it? Yep. Got him!
Dustin.
Yeah, Dustin.
We'll go out there and walk.
For 20 minutes?
Yeah, go. Run, in fact.
Yeah, run for 20 minutes. There you go. That'll make up for it.
What, Nathan?
What do you mean? Like, instead of walking for 20 minutes, running for 20 minutes would be,
Did you both just call me fat?
No!
No, it's
Oh my gosh, Mom. I'm just gonna turn key on. And take it out of auto. Hey, we're in 2-wheel drive. Oh my gosh. You're stupid. Did you shock yourself? It's not whining. What's that sound?
Huh?
What's the sound?
Probably sucking air.
That converter's probably like, what the heck? Yeah, this converter had no fluid on when we installed it, that's right.
We're going to forward gear, put it down to drive.
Yeah.
And then go to neutral. Reverse. We got pads sticking on
the frame?
Yeah.
This truck has been here on this lift for so long, the pads are sticking onto the frame. Safety first. 98,000 miles.
Car.
This has a sunroof.
Don't play with my car.
You want to be on video again?
Who? Yeah, your hands clean? Stupid?
Yeah, I wasn't working, I was holding a camera.
Oh, what a loser.
Yeah, pretty much.
Is it done?
It's running.
I don't need it tomorrow. Did you just do that?
Yeah.
Don't put your foot on my accelerator. Nathan!
I'll put on the red line. Bop, 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 bop.
Also, I didn't use a proper lathe. I used a brake lathe. The lathe.
What are you laughing at, Nate?
You got that on video.
Yeah. It's a steel cutter going onto aluminum.
It's a lathe.
We're gonna shift it for the very first time. Oh!
Oh, God. Nathan's car's in the way. Run it over.
Subaru! My Subaru's in my way. You know how to drive stick shift?
I only grind one time.
Oh no.
I can't even move it?
No, yeah, I would let you. I would just be nervous about it.
That's the clutch.
That's loud. Brothers, let's put this Johnson into reverse and see if it moves. Foot is going off the brake in 3, 2, 1. We have reverse. Oh shoot. Snap. When to reverse, we have reverse.
Yeah, so it's got pressure.
So it's got some blood pressure.
What am I even recording?
Just driving. We put a high stall converter in this thing, so he'll be running 9s in the quarter.
We put a factory stall converter in this.
Oh man.
Alright, we're in first.
Ooh, that's a
Second.
smooth shift.
Third.
I think it just shifted to 4th. I'll bleep that out because we don't want people to know where we live off of. It's gonna be a turn off on a beep.
Let's take let's take Pearl Road here out to 444.
All right. All right, we're back from the test drive, and this thing drives good. Ugh. Made sure I went through all the gears and all that good stuff. But it is all done. We have a free lift now. Yeah, I gotta make the outro for the final part of the transmission. I don't know if this is gonna be part 5 or part 6, but thank you for those who stuck through the series and watched this very long multi-series. I want to thank Dwayne here, our master transmission technician.
Ain't no master. I just can get the job done.
Master brake lathe stator resurfacer technician. Hey, it works though. It shifted really good. No flaring, no weird shifting points. It shifts good. Well, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Make sure you like, share, turn the bell notification so you don't miss a post. I got a lot lined up for this channel. I'm kind of glad this series is over because it took a lot of editing work. But hope you guys have a good one. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Dad, you want to say bye?
See ya. Have fun. Be safe.
Yes, sir. Goodbye.
Don't do nothing I wouldn't do.
Yeah, right. See you guys.